myself laugh. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Vlogmas day number 8. It is Saturday, December the 7th. It's actually nice and sunny outside. It's cold. I just took the dog out, but it's not too shabby. At least it's kind of boosting up the mood a little bit with the sun being out. But Dave just went to get his hair cut. I'm about to run over town and get stuff for a annual cookie swap with the family. That's tomorrow. So I'm going to get the ingredients and make them today before, oh, excuse me, our surprise party tonight that we have to go to. And I think I am just going to clean up, like we have a little hallway area where there's steps. And my parents were so graciously kind as part of a Christmas present to the dog now. Since Tucker's not really into toys anymore, he used to love soft toys, but I don't know, just with him being older and it bothers his teeth maybe now, he really doesn't bother with them anymore. He's into food though, but they got these little runners for the steps, and since he's getting older, they have a little bit more traction to get up and down the stairs. And we were actually kind of thinking about getting them anyway. There've been a couple instances where he's almost like slipped because like the bottom of his paws got wet. So it was good timing. So I'm gonna clean up the hallway there, and so we can lay those strips down. But really, that's about it right now. So I'm gonna run over town, get some baking supplies, send out more Christmas cards, and I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Hey guys, hoping this records because my phone's acting up weird for some reason. I'm very sluggish to respond to anything, so fingers crossed. But I got the stuff from over town to make those cookies. I was gonna just do a test run and see how they came out. They smell excellent, by the way, but I thought I only made 2 dozen. I've got like 4 dozen. Woo! So at least I have a rough idea how much one batch makes. So I'll have some here for Dave and my parents. Give some of those cookies to them, and probably bring a lot on Monday to work. But I have yet to try it. But it's basically kind of like a Mounds in a sense. It's just your basic chocolate chip cookie, but there's oatmeal in it. It's like kind of ground oatmeal. I have like my little Vitamix. You ground up the rolled oats, chocolate chip. Actually, you know, chocolate chip cookies. Duh. But anyway, and coconut flakes. So something simple yet different. So got those done. I'll make another batch. I'm not sure if I'll do them now or tonight before we go to the party. And I'm just trying to think what else I gotta do here. Steps are done. We put those little mats for Tucker on the stairs, so that's done. And that's it. Pretty much caught up to speed. I just finished up editing Vlogmas from yesterday, so that should be posted. Well, that better be posted by now if I'm doing this video, but it's in the process of uploading. Alright, but I think I run back over town because I forgot to get a birthday card for the party tonight. Run that, and I want to get a string of lights. I hung garland in the living room. I did film it yesterday, but I decided not to post it because it was a ship show. See what I did there? But it was bad. I had a hard time hanging it up, and then at the end, it doesn't light up. I've changed the fuse in it, and I'm sure it's just one light that's causing an issue by going through the whole string. So I think I'm just going to think of clear lights and just kind of intertwine it in the garland and hang it. I ain't got to worry about it. So, but that's pretty much it, guys, right now. Probably next time I'll catch you or keep you posted. Probably be tonight, probably. and go from there. I guess I'll see you when I see you. Oh, by the way, these are really dang good. I'll post the recipe below, share with you guys. Oh, God. Oh, excuse me, guys. I just had like an allergy attack. So, deal with the stuffiness going on. I don't know, just all of a sudden, just started sneezing and not pretty stuff. But anyway, had a good time at the surprise party tonight, though. He was surprised, so mission accomplished. And just spent time just chilling, relaxing with friends, and it was a good night. Came home, maybe within the last hour and a half, spent some time with my parents, and ta-da, we're here. I know it wasn't exactly the most eventful day, but you're gonna have that once in a while. But tonight's cruise question is, what is the very first thing you do on embarkation day? For us, it typically is, if there's a Red Frog pub on the ship, we try to be the first ones there, but that hasn't fared well. And I know it ain't gonna fare well on the Legend because it's a Journeys cruise and there's a lot of diamond and platinum that usually sail that, so it ain't gonna go well. But anyway. But if it's not that, because the majority of the time we had faster to the fun, we would just set our stuff in the room and just get what we need and go have a cocktail somewhere or just grab lunch like Blue Iguana tacos. That's been our new go, or not really new go-to, but that's been our go-to for lunch is Blue Iguana. But anyways, so I want to know, what is your first thing that you do when you board a ship? Alright guys, we will talk to you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow's Sunday, and I got that cookie party to go to, and I might do not a whole running around since I'm down in the Dixon City, Scranton area, so we'll see what I'm going to do. Alright guys, sorry, allergies. Have a great night, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.